What is the best way to advertise with a low budget? It's a great question.
I guess I can start with that one. So I think for what I would say is some of the obvious ones would just be having an active Facebook page, an active Twitter page. As we know, those are all free options, so you're able to build it that way. However, the only issue with those is if no one really knows about it, it's going to be a little hard to find it if it's free. So for me, I would say a few of the other options would be like one on AdWords, more of the display ads, which are pretty cheap. They're a good way of just gaining awareness about your brand. So if that's what your goal is just building your brand in the beginning, I think that's a good option where you can get clicks or views and impressions for just a couple cents per. You can get several thousand just for 20, 30 bucks a month, really. So it's a pretty manageable amount of money for even a smaller business, I would say.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I always ask people, hey, what's the goal of you advertising? Like, are you just doing it because you think you should do it? Or like, what's the return on investment, your ROI, when it comes to advertising? Because I've just seen so many people put thousands of dollars into a certain advertising platform and it doesn't return anything for them. But this feeling of like, okay, I'm doing what I should be doing. I think some of the best advertising is putting up a flyer or like Craigslist as a creative, you know, like, so you're designing websites. I can't tell you how many websites I've actually gotten to design because I put my name and my little resume on Craigslist, and it's gotten far. And so, yeah, I think there's so many good options. You got to kind of find what's going to work for you. I think showing up too, like if there's a conference in your area or a workshop, showing up is just as much, you know, an advertising platform for you as doing Instagram ads or something. A good mix is good. I agree with Matt too, though.
Quite a bit of those with the conferences and stuff, and basically you make yourself the advertising platform. So if you're going to events in the area, and if it's just for like a local coffee shop, you don't really need people 50 miles away knowing about you. So you just go to the local area and just word of mouth, and that's all free too.
Yeah, still super valuable.
Yeah. Another one is press kits. Really easy, almost free to make. Make a press kit for yourself or whatever it is you're doing. Send it to the TV stations, radio stations, newspapers.
It's awesome. Grace, you got anything?
No, not really anything to add to what everybody else said. I think it's all been covered.
Sweet.
Make sure you subscribe. We here at Helps You, we love doing videos, and we have some great things coming at you. We have things for writers, musicians, business owners, anybody who really has a project and a heart to reach people. We want to help them do it. So if you are a creative or business owner, we got tons for you.